Dear ACL, 13 years ago, you changed my life forever. In a split second, I went from a fun, thriving girl, dreaming of trying out for the high school soccer team, to an athlete determined to come back from a major surgery. You didn't stop there because that wasn't enough. I'm facing my 7th and 8th surgeries now from only 2 initial injuries, and I want you to know that you will not win. ACL, I want you to know I will come out of this stronger and smarter than before, and I will use this journey and what I've learned from it to change the way we approach ACL injury and ACL injury prevention. I will make my comeback, and I will reverse your toll on the athletes of society. Watch me.